Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Personal Hotspot in Settings and confirming cellular data is active, because the phone uses your carrier link to share internet. Once done, pick a clear SSID and strong WPA2 password so devices connect securely. Weak passwords cause repeated handshakes and drops. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both on for multi-protocol connections, and disable low power mode because it throttles background radios. This prevents automatic radio sleep that frequently causes disconnections. You now optimize how devices connect. Use Wi-Fi tethering for fastest, most stable link, and Bluetooth only for low bandwidth peripherals. Once done, temporarily disable VPNs on your iPhone because tunnels can interrupt NAT and DNS, which leads to drops. Make sure other saved networks have auto join off on client devices, otherwise they will switch mid-session. Also check for heavy apps, streaming backups, or large uploads, because they saturate the link and trigger carrier-side interruptions. You finish by testing with one client, then add more devices slowly to find capacity limits, because too many clients can overload the radio. If disconnections persist, restart both the iPhone and the client device to clear transient radio states. If that fails, reset network settings. This clears misconfigured parameters but will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared. Finally, contact your carrier to confirm your plan allows tethering and that there are no temporary blocks or provisioning issues. That often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.